Welcome, my name is Diane and thank you for joining me today.
So we're here in the greenhouse and I don't know if you can hear it, but I have little teeny baby sparrows living in my lavender bush. This is my lavender right here. Let me back this out so you can see. That's the one right here where I removed that bush, how to know if your lavender bush is dead. And you can watch that video if you want next. But that's where that other big lavender bush was dead and I pulled that out. And so this is the one that remains right here. And then these are the other ones. They're in full bloom. It's time to actually harvest all this lavender right here, and these are the ones that make the lavender wands. So I will be harvesting that, and I don't know if I can get over there without the parents making any noises, but you can hear the babies. I don't know where the nest is. Oh, there it is. Oh, they're gone. Oh, they're gone. Let's see. See, that's where the eggs were, and now they're gone. So the little babies are gone. They're someplace I don't know where. Isn't that cool? So that's the little babies, that sparrows that were in my lavender bush.